everything started with atom, right? So now I said the problem is deeper than atom itself. The atom itself have no particle in rotation. There's no space between the called principal orbits, orbitals, or something. Yeah, as a board defined of the quantum orbits. So that's completely misled. The real atom. The real atom is just like a magnetic balls. Let me show you. Let's use this one as a real atom. There is no over distance like a quantum principal orbit somewhere and have electrons orbit that one. So that I found that's something. It's fundamentally we defined this is Niels Bohr's model is wrong. So if you are assuming that, let's assume that's right. Just like a planetary, solar planetary atom model, you do have a different electrons at different orbital rotating. You know why it has to rotating? If it's not rotating, because the nucleus in the middle have a positive charge, and the electron has a negative charge. If not rotating, what happens? The electromagnetic attraction, right? Gonna make them in contact. So that's gonna create called matter antimatter catastrophe. So that means what happened? So energy dissipated. Matter disappeared, becomes energy. Those are regarded as concept. But anyway, so because we are not allowed current theory, atom theory, not allowed the electron and the nucleus in contact because matter, antimatter. So then we have to keep, in order for this model to exist, so we have to have a rotating electron. If not rotating, it attract. Keep rotating is rotating, create called a centrifugal force, right? Centrifugal force. So, and the counterbalance of electromagnetic attraction. So that's why Niels Bohr said, hey, because we have this called a single charge particle, positive charge the nucleus and negative charge the electron. So that's why we have to have this complete rotation model. And this is where I am challenging about. If this model exists, so that would make every single atom to be a perpetual motion machine. As a physics, the first fundamental principle we know, there are no perpetual motion machine. Every energy could be dissipated, especially you have a revolving motion. So this is an accelerated motion, right? Whenever circular motion is an accelerated motion, you have to have a force pushing them, just like a magnet pull them. So this is you have a force pulling them, accelerated motion. If you have this motion, acceleration motion, it's self-dissipate energy.